In the Horn of Africa, the Afar region of Ethiopia is a land where the ground seems alive. Here, the Earth's crust is stretched thin, and ancient volcanoes stand silent on the horizon. The Afar people have lived here for generations, reading the land's subtle signs. Among the quiet mountains was Hayli Gubbi, a modest peak never known to erupt in living memory. For centuries, it was simply part of the landscape, unchanging, silent, and forgotten. The ground here is scarred by deep fissures, evidence of a continent slowly splitting apart. Life has adapted to these extremes: hardy shrubs, resilient animals, and nomadic herders who know the land intimately. Hayli Gubbi was a landmark, a steady point in a world of change. No one, neither locals nor scientists, suspected that this dormant volcano was about to shatter the silence of millennia. The stage was set for an eruption that would rewrite the story of the Afar. Dormant volcanoes are like hibernating giants, quiet on the surface, but alive deep within. Hayli Gubbi's last eruption was 10,000 years ago, its fiery past erased by time and weather. Over millennia, wind and rain softened its slopes, and plants took root, hiding its volcanic origins. Scientists considered it a low threat. Its long silence bred a false sense of security. The geological forces that could reawaken it operate on timescales far beyond human experience. We measure life in years, but the Earth's clock ticks in millennia. Hayli Gubbi's dormancy was a powerful reminder. The planet's energy never disappears, it only waits. Beneath the stillness, magma lingered, ready for the right trigger. The mountain's quiet was deceptive, masking the restless power below. The story of Hayli Gubbi's sleep was about to end. On November 23, 2025, Hayli Gubbi's 10,000-year silence ended in an instant. The day began like any other, but soon the ground trembled, and a thunderous roar echoed across the plains. The mountain's peak exploded, sending a colossal column of ash and smoke 14 kilometers into the sky. Brilliant fountains of lava lit up the base, transforming the quiet mountain into a roaring furnace. The eruption was sudden and shocking. No warning signs, no gradual buildup. Scientists and locals alike were caught off guard. Hayli Gubbi wasn't even closely monitored. Modern tools missed it entirely. No swelling ground, no gas releases, no precursor tremors. The eruption challenged everything volcanologists thought they knew about dormant volcanoes. It was believed that such a long dormant volcano would need a slow, noisy reawakening. Instead, Hayli Gubbi erupted with no warning at all. The event was a stark reminder. The Earth's secrets run deep, and its power can erupt without notice. In a single day, a forgotten mountain became the world's focus. The silence was broken, spectacularly. To understand Hayli Gubbi's eruption, we look beneath the Afar region, a place where three tectonic plates pull apart. The Afar rift thins the crust, making it easier for magma to rise. Hayli Gubbi was thought to be disconnected from this active system, a relic of ancient volcanism. Scientists now believe a hidden fault or distant earthquake reopened old pathways, reconnecting Hayli Gubbi to the rift's magma. Pressurized magma surged upward, rapidly heating the dormant chamber and triggering an explosive eruption. The pressure had been building for ages. A new weakness let it escape. The eruption was sudden because magma found an old, ready-made path to the surface. Hayli Gubbi's awakening was not just a local event. It was a dramatic display of the forces tearing a continent apart. The mountain's silence ended in a burst of geological energy. Hayli Gubbi's eruption sent a massive ash cloud into the atmosphere, darkening the sky and turning day into night. Volcanic ash, tiny, sharp particles, blanketed villages, grazing lands, and water sources, causing immediate hardship. Breathing the ash was dangerous for people and animals. Water became undrinkable, and livestock faced starvation. The ash cloud traveled far, reaching Yemen, Oman, and even parts of India and Pakistan, dimming the sun and triggering air quality warnings. Air travel was thrown into chaos, as ash can cripple jet engines, forcing hundreds of flights to be cancelled or rerouted. Locally, crops were smothered and water polluted, but in time, the ash would enrich the soil with minerals. The immediate impact was destruction and disruption, but the ash also carried the seeds of future renewal. The world watched as the Afar region struggled under a sky full of ash. The eruption's reach was global, its effects both devastating and transformative. In the aftermath, the land would slowly heal, nourished by the very ash that once choked it. The cycle of destruction and renewal had begun. Hayli Gubbi's ash cloud was a reminder of nature's power to both destroy and create. While ash darkened the sky, rivers of molten lava poured from Hayli Gubbi, reshaping the land. The lava moved slowly but relentlessly, consuming everything in its path: vegetation, rocks, and even the contours of the land. As it cooled, it formed new plains of black rock, leaving behind a scorched, barren landscape. Scientists studied the lava, analyzing its chemistry to understand the eruption's origins and predict future behavior. The lava was a direct message from deep within the Earth, revealing secrets of the planet's interior. Though slow-moving, the lava destroyed property and grazing land, leaving fields unusable for decades. The eruption was both an act of destruction and creation, erasing the old, forging the new. The scars of lava would tell the story of this eruption for generations. Hayli Gubbi's rivers of fire marked a new chapter in the Afar's geological saga. For the people living near Hayli Gubbi, the eruption was a life-altering disaster. Emergency teams evacuated villages, saving lives as ash and lava threatened homes and livelihoods. The scattered population helped minimize casualties, but families lost homes, possessions, and most devastatingly, their livestock. Roads became impassable, aid was slow, and daily life ground to a halt. The psychological toll was immense. The mountain that once symbolized stability became a source of fear. In the aftermath, communities faced the challenge of rebuilding, clearing ash, and caring for surviving animals. The eruption left a deep scar, but also revealed the resilience of the Afar people. Their story is one of adaptation and endurance in the face of overwhelming natural forces. The land and its people were changed forever. Hayli Gubbi's eruption was a human story as much as a geological one. After the eruption, the urgent question was, what next for Hayli Gubbi? Predicting a volcano's future is notoriously difficult. Activity could continue for weeks, months, or even years. Early data suggested ongoing eruptions, with intermittent ash and lava flows reshaping the land. Scientists worried about a chain reaction, as the Afar Rift's interconnected system could awaken other dormant volcanoes. Monitoring intensified, with new equipment installed to track every tremor and emission. The future of Hayli Gubbi remains uncertain. It could become persistently active or fall silent once more. Each new eruption teaches scientists more about the hidden workings of the Earth. The story of Hayli Gubbi is far from over. Its next move will be watched by the world. Hayli Gubbi's eruption was a powerful lesson from the depths of the Earth. It shattered the illusion of permanence, reminding us that our planet is always changing. A volcano dormant for 10,000 years can reawaken in an instant, challenging our understanding and preparedness. The event sparked new urgency in monitoring dormant volcanoes worldwide, The eruption was destructive, but also part of the Earth's creative cycle. New land, new soil, new beginnings. The resilience of the Afar people mirrored nature's own ability to recover and adapt. Hayli Gubbi's roar was a message of humility. We are guests on a restless planet. We can study and prepare, but we cannot control the Earth's deepest forces. Every eruption is a story revealed, a reminder of our place in the grand narrative of the planet. The legacy of Hayli Gubbi is one of fire, surprise, and renewal.